Hello everyone, I've got a BMW 650i. It does not have the reflector lights that shine down onto the ground. So what I'm going to do is replace this light right here with this. It's just going to go right up in there. You pop that off with a screwdriver. Just take it, pop it off, unplug the old one, and plug in the new one. I'll walk you over to the other side here, and you can see where I've already put one in. It's very simple. I bought these online, pack of 4, ghost shadow lights. Here's this one. You can barely see the BMW there. I'm doing this in daylight, but that's what it looks like after you've popped it in. Only takes a minute or two for each one. And I'm getting ready to do all 4 doors of my 2013 BMW 650i. So good luck putting yours in. It's easy. It's pretty cool at night. Thanks.